Good morning. What's the next best thing from Apple? Might be Apple TV. Apple has a prototype TV in the works and may introduce it as early as next year, according to an analyst at Piper Jaffray. Now, sources tell Bloomberg the project's being led by the Apple software engineer who built iTunes. The late Steve Jobs, by the way, is quoted in that new biography as saying he had finally cracked how to build an integrated TV with a simple user interface. Well, meantime, communities from New York to California are considering demands they halt doing business with some of the nation's biggest banks, or at least take a good look at the impact on communities. As the Occupy movement spreads, a growing number of cities are looking at whether banks are responsive enough at the local level. And by the way, a coalition group called the New Bottom Line plans to introduce divestiture resolutions in the coming months. And on the menu, but not on your plate, are restaurants lying about what kind of fish they're serving? The Boston Globe says its investigation using DNA testing shows restaurants repeatedly charge for high-end gourmet fish and then serve cheaper and sometimes undesirable fish instead. All right, quick trading check. Higher close on takeovers and better than expected earnings from Caterpillar. And watch for shares of Netflix to get beat up today. The video rental service predicting even more customers will stream out of its subscription service as the customer revolt over price hikes continues. At the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with the Bloomberg Business Report.